Could you break it down this fight that we just recently, we were a viewer. That was Wilder and Ortiz. Were you impressed on that fight? What Ortiz did it against Wilder?
Well, Ortiz is one of those guys that he's just happy to be in America. I mean, he's a little chubby. I think if he really maybe worked hard and got in shape, he would be heavyweight champion of the world today because he was this close to referee stopping the fight. I mean, he had him for that whole round. And he hurt him real bad, but then, of course, he made a great comeback. And he does have knockout power in that right hand. I do like Joshua to beat him right now, but the thing is, I wouldn't put money on that, though.
Yeah.
Because it's too close to call.
Do you think that this fight, it will be a magnitude fight, like bigger than any other fighters in a heavyweight champion division?
No, actually, I think Klitschko and the English boy, I think that was the best fight for heavyweights. Both guys were down, both guys got up, both tried really hard, and the young man really showed his skills. I like Wilder a lot, and but the thing is, I think the English boy, the gold medalist, is maybe a little bit higher right now. But it was it was exciting and fun to watch.
Yeah.
I mean, we've had two heavyweight fights now that when's the last time we saw a real good heavyweight fight?
Oh, wow, that was in a long time ago, I guess.
It's been a long time ago.
That was a long time ago.
So at least the heavyweights are making noise right now, and I like that.
Well, wonderful. We're probably gonna see, more of them, like when it comes to Wilder, Joshua, and other fighters. Parker is coming up, very soon.
Yeah.
Tell me about this. Do you think that Wilder and Joshua is like 50-50, or one is more, like?
I like Joshua a little bit in that fight, but the thing is, they're both big, strong guys. Both guys can punch, and I would buy a ticket to go to that one. So that'd be. I would love to see that fight. Yes.
Definitely, it is one of the great fights that we don't want to miss.